Okay, I'm just going to record a couple of examples here for our grade 12 essential math class. We're on the assignments for the quadrilaterals chapter, and I don't think I need to do a whole lot of going over number 1 or 2 with you. Hopefully those are just like the examples we did in class. 3 and 4 are also pretty easy. But let's take a look at number 2 for practice lesson 7, just to make sure we're all on the same page here. Take a look at this parallelogram here. So as I look at this parallelogram, it tells me that the distance from here to here is 5. I know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals have to bisect each other. So that means this also from Q to O also has to be 5. And I know that from P to O, I know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides have to be equal or congruent. So I should probably put units on this, centimeters. And then M to O would, of course, be this distance from here to here, 5, added to that 5, giving me 10 centimeters. And P to Q, since again, this diagonal here cuts this diagonal in half, if it's 7 from here to here, it has to be 7 from there to there. So that's 7 centimeters. So that's the kind of logic you have to use to be able to do those questions there. Okay, so I wanted to go over that one. And then I was looking at, so you can hopefully do the rest of the ones in number 2. And then I was looking at number 4. So we have to kind of think our way through this. Sketch and name a quadrilateral where the diagonals are equal, but the sides are not equal. So the diagonals are equal, but the sides are not. So let's see. If it's a square, well, the diagonals are equal, but oh, the sides are equal too, so it's not a square. Is it a rhombus? Well, no, the sides of a rhombus are equal, and the diagonals are not equal, so it's not a rhombus. So what is the other shape where the diagonals are equal, but the sides are not? That's going to have to be a rectangle. So in my answer, I'm going to put rectangle. And again, I could show that I know that the diagonals are the same, but the sides are not the same. Okay, so that's the kind of logic you use. See if you can figure out that one and that one. Remember that for this homework, the answers are in the back of the booklet. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me. Okay.